Hey everybody, it's Stock Picks by Tim, and in this video we're going to look over bionano genomics, or Bngo stock. We're going to check out the chart, we're also going to look at some recent news, and an important date coming up that you're going to want to mark down. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I put out daily videos, and first off, let's just see what the overall market's doing. So here I am at TradingView's heat map, and you'll see that across the board, we're relatively mixed today. It's just not an all green day like the last couple of days we've been having. Of course, Tesla's earnings came out yesterday. Tesla's up a nice 7.5%. Besides that, really nothing notable. You know, we're pretty flat, relatively flat, up about 0.5% average, I'd say. But let's get into the point of this video, and that's going to be Bngo. Haven't given you guys an update in a while. Now, first off, we do have a recent price target here by Oppenheimer. They actually gave it a $12 price target. And we do have some recent news that literally just came out. Bionano Genomics announced publication of a new study using OGM to investigate chromosome instability during culture of induced pluripotent stem cells. Now, what does that mean? I don't freaking know. But basically, they can use OGM optical genome mapping to investigate numerical and structural changes to two induced pluripotent stem cells, which is the iPSC line and the WTC11. But what you should take out of this is that this research provides scientific and practical support of using OGM in regenerative medicine. And this is basically due to OGM's ability to detect hundreds of structural variants, or SVs, many of which aren't seen by other cytogenetic methods. And as said by Eric, the CEO, bionano is expanding into markets where OGM is an alternative workflow for cytogenetics in genetic disease and cancer. In addition, we are driving adoption of OGM into the academic research community to enable novel discoveries connected to structural variations, SVs. This paper outlines the utility of OGM for pharmaceutical research and drug development, which is a segment of the genomics market that bionano is also targeting. So here you have bionano genomics continuing to put out either patents, great reports, different studies. It's almost like they're putting out something every week regarding their OGM. But next up, let's look at the chart. I want to show you a couple points on it, but let me know down below what you think of bionano genomics, and let's look at the chart. Now, looking at Bngo's chart, you will see one important thing that I wanted to note. May 11th, May 12th, max fear, max capitulation day, we did not break that point. So ever since May 11, we have not created a new lower low. We have actually, in fact, been creating higher lows and higher highs. And we've got this very beautiful upward pattern that may break at some point soon, so you should keep an eye on it. If we do break this trend line, very possible we test some lower levels, even test that $1.60 area. It's very likely if we do fall, we'll find support at about $1.60. Now, a resistance point for this isn't extremely clear, so I would personally say that $2 is going to be our resistance. It's a psychological number, and once we can break 2, then we can continue to push onward. But we may find a little resistance here at $2. Hopefully this trend can push us through it. And we also have an important date coming up. That's going to be their earnings. Bionano Genomics earnings is going to be coming out August 3rd. This is estimated, but it is going to be somewhere around that date, so get ready. It's very soon. Now, what I personally want to see when they come out with their earnings is I want to see us break our 2 earnings ago, 6.3 million. I want to see us break that. At the very least, I want to see us get over 5.7 million. That was our last earnings, but I would love to see the earnings before that, because that was our tippy top best revenue we've had, 6.3 million. And I want to see us break that. But you definitely want to keep an eye on earnings coming up. We want to see that revenue is continuing upwards year over year at the very least. But that's all I got for you today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Take it easy.